Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. So they have some of the best deals for CVS expected to start this Sunday. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. So this is one of the first deals that we have is for Physicians Formula. It does say for anything that is $10, you will get a 10 ECB, which that's a pretty good deal. The one I'm sharing or showing you is there is a cleanser, a stick, and the green one is really good for the eyes. So if you buy one, I seen it for $9.99. There was no coupons needed. You pay that much. At the end of the receipt, you receive 7 ECB, making it just $2.99, which is a pretty good deal just to try out a new product, especially for Physicians Formula. So the next thing I'm going to show you is a very easy one for you to do. This is for the Macbeth collection and it's called a Glam Emergency Kit inside. When you go to the website, you'll be able to see that they do offer a lot of stuff that you may need. I think I even saw socks in there. But it does say that this might be limited on certain stores. So you have to see if your stores does have this item. But if they do, the normal regular price is $9.99. That's how much you'll pay. There is no coupons needed. So that's how much you pay in the register. But at the end of the receipt, you receive 6 ECB when you buy one, and it's only a limit of one, and your final price will be $3.99. I have seen different colors and different positive messages, so this will be a good deal for you to get. The next deal is for Makeup Academy or MUA Cosmetics. If you did get this coupon that printed for you in the red box machine when you scan your card, I've seen this coupon. I even got it in my card. It says they will deduct 3 when you purchase 6. So this will be a good time to combine that coupon. What you could do is buy an item for $12, like a brush. They tend to be a little bit pricey. Or also you could combine a few items. They do have like the lashes for $5. You just have to make sure that you do reach $12. So what you do, you'll pay $12. You use that coupon if you do have it. So you pay $9 in the register. You get back 6 ECB, making it just $3 for one item. I'm going to show you 3 different ideas for Neutrogena since the coupon is still available for you to print. There is one for the face. The face does include like products for the blush, foundation, concealer, but then there's other coupons that do specify for the eyes or the lip. So in this case, you will use the $4 coupon. So what you could do is buy both products. As you can see, I think it's a foundation for skin clearing, and the other one is the concealer. Combining it, it comes up to $20.78. You do need to buy 2 items to get 6 ECB. But if you use those 2 printables, and if you have a coupon that printed in the red box that specifies for Neutrogena, you could use it as well. I seen one that deducts $5 when you spend $15. So if this is a total in your store and you use all these coupons, you will pay $7.78. You get back 6 ECB, just making it 89 cents for each item, which is crazy. Another deal idea that I'm going to share, just keep in mind that the math is a little off. I think it's just off by 10 cents for each. So what you can do is buy 2 of the mascara. It doesn't have to be the same ones. They have a range of different mascaras, different options, and I've seen it for the same price. So if you buy 2, your total will be $17.98. You could use 2 printable coupons that they do specify that is for the eyes, deducting $2.50 each, so that's deducting $5. If you have that coupon and you want to use it on this scenario instead, if you have that CVS coupon, it will deduct $5, making it just $7.98. After the 6 ECB is deducted from this total, it will be $1.98 or just 99 cents for each mascara. But I'm going to show you another idea in case you're interested on the foundation, which is one of the best items to get from Neutrogena. So this idea will be purchasing the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I remember when this first came out, I think it was like $13.99 or $14.99. Now it's at $16.99, but the good thing is that we could save using these coupons and these ideas. You could also buy the wipes, the towelettes, makeup remover. So your total will be $22.98. You could use that printable coupon that is for $4 for the Neutrogena foundation, and if you have that $5 or any Neutrogena coupon or that has to do with cosmetics, you could use it. You pay $13.98. You get back 6 ECB, making it $3.99 each. I love the Milani cosmetics. They are so good, and I think this is the best time for me to stock up. So what you could do is purchase one of the items. So you could just mix and match, especially if you have a coupon for CVS, let's say 2 off 12 cosmetics. This is a time that I do use that coupon. But what you could do is buy one of their items. There's a few. There's a foundation, the setting spray. They also have an eyeshadow palette for this price as well. No coupons needed. That's, you will pay $10.49. You get back 7 ECB when you buy 10, making it just $3.49 for a foundation or a setting spray. Another idea for cosmetics is for the rimel. I try to mix and match here just in case you don't want to get more brow items. The eyeliner, they have different eyeliners that are really good and they do range for this price. So in case you want to purchase other eyeliners, I just put that picture there, but you do want to reach $8, so you could buy 2 of those items. It will be $10.58. Use 2 coupons. There's also printables. You pay $6.58. You get back 3 making it $3.58 or $1.79 each. But if you do have, I don't know if you still have that printable, depending on when does it expire, you can use it. Here's another idea. This is for Almay Cosmetics. This one you don't get any ECBs, but if you do want to take advantage of that mystery coupon that printed last week for $4, I think this is a good time to use it. You could buy 2 of the Build Your Squad. The palettes are for $3.99. This is where you could put your quads in there, and it holds 3. So you could buy 2. One is going to be for regular price, the other one's going to be 50% off. You could use that mystery coupon, and your total will be just 99 cents each. Another idea what you could do is if you want to try the new lipstick that they do cost for $7.99, it will be buy one get one 50% off. So in total will be $10.49. You could use 2 coupons, but these coupons will expire this Sunday, so you have to do this deal this Sunday if you're interested on this product from Almay. Use 2 coupons. That is for the lip, which is the blue coupon there, and you could also use that $4 Almay coupon. You pay $2.49 or just $1.25 each. So that's a really good deal. For CoverGirl Cosmetics, I really wanted to show you other items that you could do purchase and do save a lot of money. What you could do is buy the brow pencil. Since you do have to reach $15, buy the brow pencil. That's for $4.59, and the mascara. This mascara is pretty good. It's a peacock mascara. Your total comes out to $15.08. You could use 2 coupons, deducting 3. You pay $9.08. You get back 8 ECB. It will be just 54 cents. If you don't mind getting all these items, this is a good idea. If you want to get this item, it will be a money maker. Where you could just buy 4 of the brow pencil for $4.59. You pay $18.36, but you use 4 coupons, deducting 3 each. The pay total there is wrong, but the actual price will be $6.36. How much you will pay? You get back 8 ECB, making it free, and $1.64 money maker. Don't forget that in order for you to get the 8, you need to spend $15. So this is a pretty good deal if you want to get these items. This is a Maybelline Good Deal for Superstay and the Single Shadows. Remember that this will be a great stocking stuffer or something you could still give away, or just try out the Superstay, but you could just buy those items. You pay $13.48. You could use a coupon for the Superstay and do the one for the eyeshadow. You pay $9.48. You get back 5, making it just $2.24. But if you do have any cosmetics CVS coupon, it will be even a better deal. I have a beauty channel, and I love to get some items for me to try, and I was able to get this palette, the Soda Pop. Oh my god, it's really good. It's very pigmented. I love how it smells, so it's really worth getting. So you could do this deal idea, get the palette and the single eyeshadows. You pay $17.98. If this coupon printed for you for cosmetics, you could use it, and 1 coupon for the eyeshadow. You pay $12.98. You get back 5 ECB. Making it $7.98 or just $3.99 each, which that's a regular price for the single shadow, but the palette is pretty expensive, so I think that's a pretty good deal. This is another idea. You can get the mascara and the single eyeshadow. You could use a coupon for the mascara, deducting off 2, and $1 deducting for the single shadow. You pay $6.98. You get back 5 ECB, and your total will be just 99 cents each. Revlon will also be on special. What you could do is get the Kiss Balm and a regular lipstick, and it will be $13.98. You do have to reach 12, and the limit is 6. You could do this deal up to 6 times. So you pay $13.98, but you could use 2 coupons, deducting $2 each, so your total will be $9.98. You get back 4 ECB, making it just $2.99 each. This is a good deal. There is printable coupon specifically for the nightly nightly reset, and that's a new one. So what you could do is purchase the big one, the nightly reset for $7.99, and a small Listerine that goes for $2.49. In total be $10.48. That's how much you need to reach. You can use that printable coupon for that item. You pay $8.48. You get back 5 ECB, making it $3.48, just $1.74 each, and you could do this 2 times. I love Garnier deals. Oh my God, I left nightly reset in there, but skip that, but that's the right price. What you could do is get 2 items from Garnier. One, it could be the eye makeup pads. I tried them, they're really good. I did a review on my beauty channel. But you could get on any other items. Garnier has a lot of good items that are for $8.99. So you could get any items for that price. You could get the towelettes for $6.99. The total will be $15.98. You could use 2 coupons. And if you got that coupon from CVS deducting 5, you pay $6.98. You get back 5 ECB and it'll be just 99 cents each. That is crazy. Another good deal was Biore. What you could do is purchase a cleanser for $7.99 and the dual mask for $3.99. So the total will be $11.98. So it reached the $12. You could use a coupon that deducts $1 each. And if you have any coupons that has to do from CVS for facial, you may include it here. You pay $9.98. You get back 4 ECB. It'll be just $2.99. This is a really good deal, but reading the fine print in the coupon, it does say that coupon restriction is per person. So if you have 2 people with you, 3 people, it does say that the limit is up to 4. So I'm doing the deal idea in case you have 2 people in with you and you selected the coupon in the CVS app. So you could buy 5 of the items, deduct 3 coupons in total, including the CVS app. And if you have any coupons that has to do with baby, like that will deduct $3, you will pay $13.75, which is a really good deal. You get back 10 ECB and it'll be just $3.75. But if you have more people with you and you're able to use the other coupons, it will come out to even free. I love when you get 10 ECB when you spend 20. That's really good. But if you have a CVS coupon that is specified for hair care deducting 4, it will make it a good deal. So you could purchase an item, shampoo, conditioner that they do have for $14.74. And they have this one that's called a conditioner. It's a serum and it's for 3 ounce for $5.49. Together will be $20.28. You can use that coupon from CVS. And after you get in the 10 ECB, it will be just $3.14 each. Another deal is from Summer's Eve. Look at the app because there is a coupon in the app as well. And I believe there's a printable coupon too. So you could get the cloth for $3.69 and you have to get the Simply because the coupon, some coupons to specify that has to be the Simply one for $4.69. So together you reach $12.07 depending on the coupon that you do have. There's one deducting $1.50 off too, and the one I told you from CVS or that you could get from your smart stores. After the ECB, your total will be $1.50 each. It's actually $1.52 each. I'm sorry guys, it's a little bit longer, but there's so many deals that I just wanted to share with you, like this one. This one you rarely see, and I think it's a really good product, and it's very expensive. But what you could do, to buy one get one 50% off. So I'm going to show you 2 ideas. There's no coupons needed. What you could do is buy 3 of the soap. Because if you buy 3, I think it's a better deal. So you buy 3, one of them will be 50% off. Your total will be $12.48. No coupons needed. You get back 5 ECB when you buy 3, making it $2.49 for the soap, and they smell really good. Another idea will be for the toothpaste. What you could do is buy 2. I saw the price for $6.49, and the other one will be 50% off. You pay $9.74. There's no coupons needed. But if you have any CVS coupons that have to do with toothpaste, you could use it in this deal idea. You pay $9.74. You get 2 ECB when you buy 2. But you can submit it to Ibotta. My Ibotta, so that's for $1.10 for each. Just activate it to make sure this is the deal that you want to do. And your total will be just $2.77 for each toothpaste. Another idea is for another deal is for the Fiji water. This one does specify for 700 ml, so you could buy 2 for $3. There's no coupons needed. I think the coupons that I saw didn't apply for this size. But what you will get 50 cents when you buy 2 an ECB. But you could submit it to Ibotta, and I also saw it for checkout 51, so your total will be just 75 cents each. So that's a really good deal, especially with this is a sports bottle, I believe. This is a deal idea we sometimes see, and it's usually free, but you have to pick one or the other because the limit is 1. You can buy one for $2.50. Use a coupon deducting $1.50. So your total will be one. You get back one ECB, making it free. It's a really, really easy deal, and you will get it from this Sunday's paper. This deal idea is combining Persil and Dial. So you buy two Persil and you buy the Dial body wash and you buy the Dial foam. You have reached $20.98. You could use two coupons for the Persil, $2 off two printable for the body wash, and $1 off two for the foam. It does say it has to be foam. You pay $13.98. You get back 7 ECB, making it just $1.16 each. Joa is one of those K-Beauty cosmetics. It's going to be buy one, get one 50% off. You will not get any ECBs, but if you want to try this product since it's new, I'm also doing review about these products. Some are pretty good, some I will skip. But in case you want to try them out, what you could do is buy the lipstick for $5.99, and the total will be just $4.49 for both items. This is a good mix and match deal. What you could buy is three Pantene. They're going to be 3 for $12. You could buy two of the Head and Shoulder, which is going to be 2 for $12, and one of the Tide, that is for $5.94. You reach $29.94. You could use a coupon for Pantene. If you have any CVS hair coupon, you could use it here. You could use Head and Shoulder coupon, and the Tide is going to be a coupon in the app. Your total will be $15.94, but you get the $10 cash card, making it $5.94 for everything here. It's like getting the Tide, paying for the Tide, and getting everything else free. So I'm sorry guys, this video was a little bit longer, but I did have more deals. I did find some better deals for this ad. I hope you enjoyed it. You can give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. And if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.